In iiQWorks.Sim, you can configure the Fieldbus and add extension buses as well as I/O modules to the configuration. The first step is to add the device description files to your local iiQWorks.Sim. For this, you need to go to the Configuration tab and select the device catalog. A new window will open, showing you all the available devices. In our example, we want to import new devices, so we need to click on Import. A new file selection window will open. On the bottom right corner of this window, you can select the file type of the extension in the drop-down menu. You can select between the CC-Link, XML, Ethernet IP, Modbus, Profibus, Profinet. In our case, we will select XML for EtherCAT and can directly see the downloaded files from our supplier. EK11XX is for the EtherCAT couplers, so the link between the EtherCAT protocol at Fieldbus level and the EtherCAT terminals. EL1XXX contains all device descriptions for input modules. EL2XXX contains all device descriptions for output modules. We can now select all of them and click on Open. And on the device catalog, click on Import. In the device catalog view, we can expand the section of the supplier so we can see the list of imported XML files and even expand them to see every single module. Then click on Close. The next step is adding the extension bus to the Devices tab of the controller. In the Devices tab under the controller, expand the Fieldbus node. You will find the KUKA controller bus and the KUKA system bus. With a right-click on the Fieldbus node, you can add a new bus instance. Click on Add. A new window will open, where you see all available additional parent Fieldbuses. At the moment, you can only see the KUKA extension bus that you can select and add by clicking on the button on the lower right corner of the window. Now you can add a next device depending on your application. In our example, we need to first add an EtherCAT coupler, and in this specific case, the EK1100 in the latest version. Then click on the Add button in the bottom right corner. After that, we can now include input and output modules. An easy way to find them is to search the module family, for example, 1809. In this example, we will select the 16-channel digital input module EL1809 in the latest version. Click on the Add button in the bottom right corner. And we can select in 16-channel digital output module EL2809 in the latest version. Again, you need to click on Add or double-click on the module to directly add it to the devices tree. On the left side, in the devices tree, you will find the KUKA extension bus, the EtherCAT coupler, the input module, and the output module. In our example, we are done with the configuration of the Fieldbus and can close the window.
Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow the KUKA channel for more updates and more exciting content. If you're looking for hands-on training, visit the KUKA College to enhance your skills. See you in the next video.
Making automation easier.